In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Shopify Store Ownership. If you're handing off a business, bringing on a new owner, or formalizing a change in responsibilities, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect so the transition is smooth and secure. First, open the Shopify website and sign into the store you currently own. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has owner permissions, since only the current owner can start a transfer. It's also a good idea to coordinate with the new owner ahead of time so they're ready to receive the transfer email right away. Once you're in the Shopify admin dashboard, look toward the lower left corner and click Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage the core details of your store. Inside Settings, go to the General section. Here, find the area labeled Organization and Store Owners and click Manage. This page lists the current ownership information and the people associated with your organization. On the Owners page, select the person you want to transfer ownership to. If you see multiple eligible people, take a moment to double-check you're choosing the correct recipient. Ownership carries billing and administrative control, so accuracy matters. After selecting the recipient, click Continue. Shopify will guide you through a brief confirmation flow so you can verify everything looks right. When prompted, enter the recipient's email address carefully. This is the address Shopify will use to send the transfer notification. Avoid typos and make sure the recipient has access to that inbox. Once the email is entered, click Transfer. That's the action that initiates the handoff on Shopify's side. From here, Shopify sends the recipient a message to accept the transfer. Until they accept, you remain the current owner, so it's smart to let them know to check their inbox and, if needed, their spam folder. After they accept, ownership updates in your admin and the new owner becomes responsible for store settings, billing, and high-level permissions. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Plan the transfer for a quiet time so there's minimal disruption to orders or theme changes, and communicate clearly about any upcoming renewals or app charges. Keep a record of the transfer confirmation for your files and ensure the recipient understands their new responsibilities once they accept. That's it. By opening Shopify, going into Settings, managing organization and store owners under General, selecting the right person, clicking Continue, entering their email, and clicking Transfer, you've completed the ownership handoff with confidence.